Good morning, Gio. Good morning. Hope everyone's doing good this morning. Morning, TJ. I'm trying to figure out why I seem to be missing a payout from Top Step that is not in my bank account. So I am looking at that. Maybe it went. Let me check the news real quick. Pending home sales at 10, so we should watch out for that. Yeah, should watch out for that. Market is now open, everybody. Welcome to the live stream. I am looking at some missing payouts from Top Step right now. So just figuring that out. But yeah. Wow, 7 people in here. We've fallen off officially. All right. So for the morning. Let me load up these fair value gaps really quick. All right. Looks like we did dip into... we just missed this big fair value gap on the open. I would still watch that. That's 20,003. And then to the upside, where we're gonna watch this level here at 20,109 and 20,158. Okay. And that's about it there for the morning. Keep our eyes on that, of course. I think we look decent for lower, but we did just sweep liquidity there on the open. Kind of have pretty equal lows there at 20,003. So we'll see if we move lower. Just swept some liquidity there, 20,003. Look at this, we just missed this, or is this not the entry time? I don't know, looks like that 1 minute chart might have just missed a perfect entry there. Next area I'd be watching for a sweep is 977. Getting close to sweeping that 977 area. And just tapped it. There we go. 977 is swept. Now what are we gonna do? I'm not sure. TJ, the hanging order has, yeah, I know. Figure out how to get rid of that later. So we rejected this 5-minute change in state of delivery here on the open. So I dropped down to the 15-second and little inverse from right here. Could have taken a little short down towards these lows, but that's a completely different model. But 977, that's the gap fill. pretty much. So yeah, the gap fill. We could start to go back up now, I would assume. Or I would hope, I should say. There's no discount for SBS right now. We've only done 2 discounts ever, and one of them just happened a week ago. So if you missed out on that, it's a bummer. There's a discount for NQ Autotrader. NQ Autotrader did pretty good last night. Ooh, wow, it's done really good. Let me show you guys. We're up actually 2,000 right now. I'm gonna turn that off. Right here. Oh, well, I guess I need to leave it on for the trades to appear. Yeah, we're up 2,000. This is NQ Autotrader 102 brick size. Again, I've mentioned 85% win rate, uses martingale system. And you can see that here, it's pretty solid. This is just last night, all these trades, and 1 loss here. Made it back. But yeah, I'm gonna turn that off. Go back to SBS here. So $2,000 day with NQ Trader. We have other good algos, guys. I'll post that in the Discord. Alrighty. That is going. I need to find out. All right. How's everyone doing today, though? Hopefully someone answers that question. You guys trading today? We do have medium impact news at 10 a.m. We gotta remember. Pretty good. A little tired, yeah. Took some shorts, Geo? Oh boy, of course you did. Of course you did. Nice. From where? You probably are already up like 100 points or something? $50 to $60? That's good, man. That is good stuff. Oops. Hoping go further lower. Taking partials. Nice. Geo, you are killing it so far this month, man. Slow morning so far, no trades. Pretty happy with how it's turning out. Don't really know why, but ever since we put in lower on the new. Well, that's good. That's good, man. I don't know why I cannot contact Top Step support. I'm asking this little AI bot, and then it's telling me to do something, and then nothing happens. Why is also, I contacted Apex support like 3 times over the last 10 days. Nothing. Nothing from Apex. Still no trades. We're just sitting sidelined. boy. Quiet morning here. I mean, there's not much going on, so not even really manual trades to watch. I mean, we could watch the level 932 if we reach down there. It's like we're reaching down a little. Still no trades though. We got close to some trades. Never triggered, obviously. First trade of the day, 32 range, MNQ. And a loss for the first trade of the day. This order is really starting to piss me off. I did expect us to bounce there. To prove it, I took a paper trade. There you go. We are driving higher right now. Already up almost 100 points actually in the past 10 minutes, so that's pretty good. about to short 32. Oh, I must have missed that message. Yeah, that was an L. If we weren't in that trade too, this little turquoise line would have triggered us long. So the pattern 2 would have actually triggered us long, like a few points above this short. So that would have been good. Kind of a bummer that it threw us in that short. Weirdest thing happened in the message right over. Well, are you sure it wasn't just the pattern 2 trade, Caesar? Because there's a pattern 2 trade that if you disabled the short here, there was a long entry right above it, so. Likely there was no mistake there. That's good though. If you, I mean, that's the kind of stuff where if you think, you know, if you think we're going higher, you could disable the shorts, and then you wouldn't have gotten the short trade, you would have gotten the long win, you know. If you think right here we're gonna go back down, you could disable the long, right? That's all kind of, you know, up to you. Like here, if I disabled the short, right here and we went up a little bit more, you can see there's a turquoise. That would have actually put us long. Like right here, boom. We would be long right now if we disabled shorts. Also got a terrible fill there. But yeah, we would have been long with a stop down here and a big run up for take profit, which right now still looks really good to run higher. So, yep, stopped out again. Oh, there's news in 5 minutes. But, yeah, so that pattern 2 trade, if you got that, would have been beautiful. Because look, just short entered, you turn shorts off, long entry would have been here, and it just shot up 50 points for nothing. And that trade that I was in from down here, let me show you executions. So I just took a long from 88 up to this high. So that was 83 points, and we just jumped 57 points in in like 2 seconds, pretty much. So that was a little odd, huh? We did catch a long win there on the 42 range. So it looks like we went long somewhere over here. Turning off SBS for the day. Caught 2K on that random bump. Post that testimonial, JC. Jeez. You catch a long, you turn shorts off or something? Jeez. A long right here, caught good though. I'm not sure where it got a lot of slippage, but still worked out. a lot of slippage from that jump. Pass your 25k eval in that trade. Caesar, yeah, you guys post in the testimonials. Post that. JC 2000. Is that on the PA? Jeez. Jeez. Nice. Caesar, you got that eval pass? Post it, my guy. JC, post your trade if you can. Post a screenshot of your actual trade. I want to see the entry next that you got. Maybe not. Not a big deal. I was just curious if you started open. You do not need to reopen. You should actually probably leave and go enjoy your day, my guy. That's a great day. 2100. What chart was that on? 32? A really tight 42 range trade here. These always have a high chance of getting stopped just because everything's so tight together. Partial win, but our stop loss still is not in the great spot because it's so tight that our trail kind of gets messed up as well. We'll add, I think we're adding something in the next update to where you can avoid these type of trades if you want with the maximum or minimum ticks or whatever per trade that someone mentioned. I think it was, I forget who it was, but like right here, this would have been avoided on the 48 range. Yeah, TJ, I think it was you. I think we're adding something. News just hit. I completely forgot to disarm for news. So yeah, that would have been. I always forget. I gotta keep the news up. You know, I gotta keep the news up. Big rally though. Let me look at Botfolio quick. Never mind, hold on. All right, now I'm gonna check. Caesar passed the account. 1 second, I'm just gonna pull it up real quick. See if we're in any fun trades. We're not really in anything actually. We're in one contract ES long, down $10. Okay, back open to SBS. Here we go. Boom. Just a reminder, man. I won't say it. I won't say it. Never mind. Won't say it. Well, 42's done pretty good today. At least we had something do pretty good. 32, not the best. But if we had only pattern 2 take trades and we had shorts disabled, it would have been really good. But we didn't, so whatever. If you want, you can always just leave it to only take pattern 2 trades, but I don't know. There'll be some fun stuff in the upcoming updates. quiet day. I mean, there's just not much going on today. For me, I feel like it's been an interesting week, you know? Interesting last week or two. All right, we are dropping again here. Let's take a look at everything. I think we're gonna give it a few more minutes, but I think we're not gonna sit around too much longer here. Yeah. See if we get this short entry on either 48 or 42. They're going to be the same exact trade. Here's a short entry. I don't mind this. But market might just be really bullish right now. So we'll be done after this trade. So no matter what happens, we'll be done there. The 48 range should be break even because we did leave it on during news accidentally. So this should be 48's first trade of the day. And 42 is up 500. So worst case, we end break even on 42 and slightly down on 48. Oh, 32 is in a very tight trade. Yeah, we need, I don't know what's going on with that today, but it won partly. Our stop loss, I'm just going to drag it to break even because I don't want it coming back up, taking that. So likely it's going to. There we go. Yep. But it would have just stopped us out there anyway for a partial loss. So those tight trades can be great and they cannot be great. So that was really tight though. I think we need to clear our cache today. I think we need to clear our cache. It does appear we are going to lose the trade for 42 range as well. Does appear that way. Man, Nvidia's low. Nvidia's at 112. AVGO is 174. Apple's at 221. Tesla's at 280. Jeez, everything's just dropped so much lately. No, maybe we're not stopping out. It's rolling over. It is rolling over. Maybe it's not rolling over. We're just kind of sitting right at the entry. It's looking good. Come on. We are respecting a bullish for rally gap right now at 20,063. Right around here, pretty much. Right here. Now it's not looking good anymore. Ooh, 32 ranges in a short. Okay. Stops break even. We're definitely gonna go back up and break even us, because that's just what we do lately. But we'll turn it off still after this trade, so boom, boom, turned off. The chances of us getting stopped out are about 95% according to my calculations. Stopped at break even. I wouldn't mind a dump though. That was another trade with a really tight stop. And stop, okay. So we're only down one full win there on 32, so we're really not down much. If you were down on 100 risk per trade, you'd be down like $120 pretty much. So you're down pretty much one trade today. That is fine by me. And these trades look like they are gonna lose. It's just chopping, bouncing right off the entry point, so. Okay, come on, just do something. I don't want to sit here any longer now. We've been in this trade for 10 minutes. Just move in a direction. I don't even care if you stop me out anymore, man. I really don't. Come on. Just drop 20 points. It's only 20 points. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, there we go. Almost there. Okay, come on, man. You got real close. You got hit 53. We need you to hit pretty much 50. And then it would trigger our stop loss. Okay, just do it. You're gonna bounce right off the TP now. Let's go. Come on. Just drop 5 more points, man. Okay, we're just gonna be in this trade forever. You know, I think I'll give this trade 2 more minutes. We have till 10:25. 10:25, and then I'm leaving, no matter what. So let's see. Can it do something here? You getting close again? Come on. Okay, never mind. Just hit 50. We need you at, okay, we need you like 48. Hit 48. Come on. What are you doing, man? We are chopping. This is disgusting price action right now. Disgusting price action. There we go. Okay. Stop loss is triggered. We should get out of this trade soon. probably only it's gonna come back up. We just hit one tick. We hit 46.0 and our thing was 45.75, so we got one tick away from the first TP, and we probably are gonna go up and stop ourselves out. Let's see. One singular tick. Market's waiting for something. I don't know what, but it's waiting for something. All right, we're done. Everyone enjoy the rest of your day. All right, not too bad of a day, not the best day either. Have a good day. I'll see everybody tomorrow for Friday. All right, have a good one, guys.